How to delete a Facebook avatar. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. Now, if you want to delete a Facebook avatar, I'm going to guide you through these simple steps. These steps can be used on iPhone, iPad, or Android. Once you have opened the Facebook app, make sure to log into your account. Now, step one is to find a post where you want to leave a comment. Then tap on the comment option. On this section, down below, you have three different emojis. Tap on the third one, which is the avatar emoji. From here, you can find all of your avatar stickers. Now, tap on the option of Edit Avatar. As you can see, this is your current avatar. If you only want to edit your avatar, then tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. That's going to take you to this page. On this page, you can change the appearance of your avatar. So if you want to change hairstyles or other facial features such as facial hair, skin tone, body, face markings, and others, you can do that from here. You can also change the appearance by changing the outfit of your avatar. But if you do not want to edit and want to delete a Facebook avatar, then for that tap on the three dots at the top of your screen. Then tap on the delete avatar option. A pop-up is going to appear asking you for confirmation. Tap on the delete option. Once you do that, your avatar has been successfully deleted. You can create your avatar anytime you want in the future. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.